Aesthetic surgery in celebrities is a matter of a lot of speculation, debate, discussion, controversy. So in this video, we take a look at a few celebrities where it's obvious that they've had some changes to their nose done. Some are open about it and they accept that yes, they've had some change done to their nose, but others are still discreet. I'm Dr. Shilpi Bhadani. I'm a plastic and aesthetic surgeon at SB Aesthetics, Gurugram, India. Now, the first celebrity that we take a look at is Shilpa Shetty. If you look at her older pictures, in that you can see that her nose is really very wide. The tip also is slightly flatter. The alar is also wide. The base is wide. The dorsum is not so well defined. Whereas when you look at her picture post-surgery, you can see that the bridge is very well defined and has nice dorsal aesthetic lines. You can also see that the tip is lifted, not flat anymore, and the alar is much narrower. Even the base is narrower, so overall, the nose has a much slimmer appearance than her pre-surgical pictures. So overall, if you see, the attractiveness quotient of the face has increased immensely after the nose job. Now, the second celebrity we take a look at is Priyanka Chopra. So she has openly admitted that yes, she had a polypectomy done, due to which the bridge of the nose collapsed and she was devastated after that and she couldn't recognize herself. After that, she had to have a reconstructive surgery of the nose in which she had her bridge reconstructed, the tip more defined, and all in all, if you look at the picture now after surgery, you can see that her nose bridge is well formed and the tip is in alignment with the nose bridge. And overall, definitely we can see that the aesthetics of her face have improved a lot when we compare it to the older pictures. Now, the third celebrity that we look at is Shruti Hassan. She has openly said that yes, she has had changes done to her nose via nose job. And when we compare her previous pictures where her nose had a droopy tip, a hump was very evident in the previous pictures. So now when you see her post pictures, you can see that the hump is gone. The nose has a more sloping edge. The tip is more uplifted, no more droopy. And overall, the nose appears slimmer and smaller when you compare it to the previous pictures. And obviously, this has definitely added to her beauty. Another celebrity who is a lot in news and discussion about the transformation that she's achieved is Nysa Devgan. When you look at her nose pre-operatively, you can see that again the nose is wider, flatter, without a very defined bridge. The base is broad and the tip all in all looks quite flat. When you look at her post-rhinoplasty pictures, you can definitely see that the bridge is much more narrower, more defined, more uplifted, and the dorsal aesthetic lines are very clearly visible. The tip is more upturned and nicely defined now. The alar is narrowed. Overall, the entire face is now more in symmetry because a rhinoplasty has achieved a slimming of the face overall, and the overall look is definitely more attractive now. So the final one in this discussion would be none other than Janhvi Kapoor. There's a huge change you can notice in the previous pictures and the current pictures. And the most obvious change in her face is definitely the nose. Look at the bridge, which was not so augmented and not so well defined. But now look at the definition. It's really in alignment with the aesthetics of her face. Look at the tip. It was so broad, bulky. The tip was also not very well defined. But in the post-op pictures, it is definitely a much more pleasing tip that she has. The alar also have been thinned and narrowed. And that is also very obviously visible in her post pictures. Now, along with this, definitely the base of the nose has been narrowed because the older nose had definitely a wider base. So overall, again, a slimming and a more defined appearance of the nose has been achieved with an aesthetic rhinoplasty. I hope that you liked this video. If you would want more such videos on our channel about celebrity changes that have been achieved by aesthetic surgery, do let us know in the comment box below. Do follow our channel SB Aesthetics because we keep posting very interesting information about plastic surgery and skin treatments. If you have more questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comment box below and I shall be very happy to answer them.